Intercom team messaging app. The pros, the cons. Intercom has become a popular choice for team messaging and customer engagement, but is it really worth the hype? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, Intercom is excellent for managing customer conversations and internal team messaging in one place. It offers automated chat, lead tracking, and a knowledge base that can improve response times and streamline workflows. Enterprise teams benefit from AI-assisted messaging, which can suggest replies and help maintain consistent tone and professionalism. Intercom also integrates with a wide range of tools, from CRMs to email platforms, making it a versatile solution. Companies report that using Intercom improves customer retention and reduces internal communication friction. However, Intercom isn't perfect. Pricing is a major consideration. Enterprise plans can be costly, especially for teams scaling quickly. Another issue is complexity. Setting up automation, workflows, and custom messaging requires time and technical knowledge. Some users find the interface overwhelming at first, which can slow adoption among team members. The surprising truth about Intercom is that automation is only as effective as the setup behind it. Poorly configured chatbots or messaging rules can frustrate customers rather than help them, so careful planning is essential. In conclusion, Intercom team messaging is a powerful platform for teams that want to combine internal messaging with customer engagement. It saves time, enhances collaboration, and supports automation at scale. But it requires investment in training and setup, and smaller teams may find the cost prohibitive. For businesses ready to invest in a structured communication strategy, Intercom can be a game changer.